Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and it is week 7 of renovations here at Gray Cottage, and we have officially moved in. So this week we finally finished up the wood floors. We got the living room stained and sealed, and I am so glad to be done with them. They were such a huge project and took so much time, and they are by no means perfect, but I think they turned out pretty good. We went with a dark stain to cover up the stains that were in the wood that we could not sand out. And I think the gray has a really nice aged look, and I think it looks really good. So next, I started working in the bathroom. I put a coat of primer on the bathroom door, and then after that we took it down and sprayed it outside using the paint sprayer. We still have to paint all of the bedroom doors and put them back up. We plan on adding a little bit of trim to them to give them a little bit of character, but that will be a future project. Then we finished installing the rest of the shiplap on the walls, and we started working on the plumbing for the new bathroom vanity. Because of the new bathroom vanity we are installing, we had to rearrange some of the plumbing so that it would fit better for the vanity, and unfortunately Obie had to crawl under the house to do some of the work, much to his dislike.
Let me know if you find any treasure.
Oh. Yeah, that's just dead rats. Can you hand me a 90?
After we got all the plumbing done, we ripped out the vinyl floor and scraped off all the adhesive. We had to use a heat gun to get the adhesive to kind of melt down a little bit so it'd be easier to scrape off, and that took quite a while. How's it going, Obie?
Getting in a groove. They said remodel a house, they said it'd be fun. They said.
Is it not fun?
It's amazing. This is just my favorite job. I mean, next to eating hamburgers, this is the next best thing.
Then we started laying the new floors. We are using a click and lock vinyl tile. They are waterproof, so it'll be great for the bathroom. The floor was pretty simple to install, and I think that it really looks great in this room. Then we installed the toilet, and then we tried out the light fixture to see where we wanted it. Obie drilled a hole for the wires, and we spray painted the light to match the new faucet. Obie installed the new light fixture, and then we put in the crown molding. We still have to install some baseboards in the bathroom, but we'll have to get new baseboards as some of the old trim got broken as we were taking it out. I added a little bit of shiplap for flooring in one of the little closets. And this week we worked quite a bit in the kitchen. We patched the sheetrock where the old chimney was, and then I started putting shiplap up on the walls. As you can see, I didn't go all the way across to the bottom. Reason being is that it would be covered up by the oven and the counter, so I didn't want to waste the boards. We will paint the wall white so that if you happen to be able to see behind the oven, it will still look okay. Next, I removed the cabinet doors and also the drawers. I labeled them all so I'll know exactly where they go when I go to reinstall them. I then sanded down the cabinets to help remove the old sealer that was on the wood. So I'll be sanding all the door and the drawer fronts outside, along with priming and painting them and adding a little bit of trim around the edges to add a little bit of character to them. Then my mom helped out and primed and painted the cabinets. We will work on painting the doors next week. Then we started the dreaded job of ripping out the last of the vinyl floors in the kitchen. If you've been following the renovations, then you know how much of a pain the vinyl floors have been. And after ripping the vinyl off, we have to use a heat gun and a scraper to remove all the adhesive stuck on the floor. There is old flooring below the old vinyl flooring, but we will be leaving it and installing the new floor on top of it. I painted the one wall in the kitchen. It was a gray color, but I decided that I would like it white, so I did that fairly quickly. And then we started installing the kitchen floor. And once we got started, it went fairly quickly. I cannot believe how awesome the floor looks, and the kitchen is so much brighter now with the lighter floor. Although I know I will never be able to keep it looking clean, but I love how this floor turned out.
We're moving in.
So also this week, we started taking some of the furniture out of storage and moving them into the house, and we have officially moved in. We have spent the past about 3 nights in the house, and we are loving it. Camper life was okay, but having our own home again is so nice, and Jess just loves the extra space to be able to crawl around and to get into everything. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have not already, be sure to subscribe to our channel and give this video a big thumbs up if you could, and we will see you guys next week for week 8 of renovations.